Good morning, sir. How may I help you?
I'd like to buy a handbag for my mother as a gift.
That's great. Do you have a budget?
Yes, my budget is around $70. I would like to see what you have available within this range.
Sure, sir. These bags in this row are being offered at a special price for Mother's Day, so they'll be within your budget.
That's great. I hope the sale doesn't impact the quality of your products.
No, sir, not at all. If you have any problems with your bag, please bring in the original receipt and we'll replace it for you.
In that case, I will take the black purse with a long strap and this gold clutch as well. It seems like a good deal to me.
Sure, sir. Please head over to the cash counter for payment while I get your items packed.
All right. Do you accept credit cards? I don't have cash on me.
Yes, we do. Sir, would you like to add a greeting card to your purchase?
Yes, please.
All right. Here you go. Thank you for shopping with us.